In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your work-from-home status in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're adjusting your availability for the day or just need to let your team know when they can reach you, this quick guide will help you manage your status with ease. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to have Microsoft Teams open and ready to go. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile picture. This is your first stop. Go ahead and click on your profile picture. What this does is open up a small menu that gives you access to a few options, and among them is your current status. Now click on your current status. It might say something like available or busy right now. This click will open up your presence options. Here you'll see a list of different status options. You can choose from available, busy, do not disturb, or appear away. Each of these options serves a specific purpose. Available means you're open to chat and collaborate. Busy signals that you might be in a meeting or otherwise occupied. Do not disturb is great for when you need some uninterrupted focus time, and appear away is useful if you want to step away for a bit without officially signing out. Choose the status that best represents your current availability. For instance, if you're working on a report and don't want to be interrupted, selecting Do Not Disturb would be the way to go. Once you've made your choice, your status will update automatically. This means your new status will be visible to your colleagues and anyone else in your Microsoft Teams network. It's a simple yet effective way to communicate your availability without having to send out individual messages or emails. And that's it, you've successfully managed your work-from-home status in Microsoft Teams. By keeping your status updated, you're helping your team understand when you're available for collaboration and when you need some focused work time. This little feature can go a long way in maintaining productivity and clear communication, especially in a remote work setting. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Teams and other productivity tools. Until next time, stay productive and connected.